Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Power series convergence can be tricky, but we can solve this problem quickly by finding the radius of convergence around our center point right now.
First, identify the center of the power series by looking at the term x plus 1. This tells us the series is centered at x equals -1 on the line.
Since the series converges at x equals 3, the distance from the center is 4 units. This means the radius of convergence must be at least 4 in both directions.
The series converges within 4 units of the center. Since -4 is only 3 units away, it falls inside the interval of convergence.
Well done! Scan now, watch signs carefully, trust given values, and check steps to ensure you pick option C every single time.